Introducing the Breville hand mixer with HeatSoft technology. With Breville hand mixer, there's no wait to bake. Innovative HeatSoft technology allows you to soften cold butter while mixing in one simple step. By using gentle warm air, the Breville hand mixer quickly brings cold butter to room temperature. The key to fluffier results is using room temperature butter. Using cold or melted butter can affect the quality of your recipes. Using melted butter results in baked goods that are too flat and deflated, but softened room temperature butter is just right for making fluffy baked goods. And now you can do it faster with the power of HeatSoft technology. The Breville hand mixer softens butter 12 times faster, so there's no wait to bake. The versatile 7-speed control allows you to handle any type of mixture, and the boost power button gives you the extra boost needed when tackling especially thick mixtures. An easy eject button makes for quick and convenient cleanup, and the removable magnetic nozzle is dishwasher safe. Elevate your baking with the Breville hand mixer with HeatSoft technology.